Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by securing power and data, charge above 50% and backup personal files. Next, connect your Vivo to a PC with the original USB cable. Enable USB debugging if possible. If you can access settings, go to About Phone and confirm model and build so you download correct files. Once done, hold power and volume down to enter recovery or fast boot. This begins the system repair flow and prevents unnecessary wipes. You now verify the device appears in ADB or fastboot on your PC, open a terminal and run a DB devices or fastboot devices. If in recovery, use a DB sideload with the official update. Zip. If in fastboot, flash the stock recovery or system image using fastboot flash commands. Make sure the files match your model to prevent bricking. Once transfers finish, execute the repair script or command. This replaces corrupted partitions. You finish by rebooting the phone using a DB reboot or fastboot reboot. Expect a longer first boot while the system optimizes. If the device still boots into repair mode, return to recovery and perform a factory reset only after backups, or reflash the full stock firmware image for your exact model. If problems continue, capture a DB logcat and error messages and contact Vivo support. This log helps technicians diagnose whether the issue is software corruption or failing hardware.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.